Hey there. If you're eager to unlock new opportunities on Cash App, but find Cash App not letting you have a sponsor, you've come to the right place. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps and solutions to fix this issue and get you on the path to financial collaborations. Whether you're seeking sponsorship for your brand or personal ventures, these tips will help you navigate through the obstacles effortlessly. Step 1. Understand Cash App's policies. The first thing in resolving any issue is understanding the platform's policies. Cash App, like other financial platforms, has specific guidelines regarding transactions and sponsorships. It's important to familiarize yourself with these rules to ensure that your sponsorship requests don't inadvertently violate their terms of service. Visit the Cash App's official website or app and review their terms to see what is allowed and what might be restricted. Step 2. Verify your account. If Cash App is not letting you have a sponsor, it might be due to incomplete account verification. Make sure your account is fully verified. This involves providing your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Verification increases your transaction limits and adds legitimacy, making it easier for potential sponsors to trust and collaborate with you. Open Cash App, navigate to your account settings, and follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Step 3. Network and connect. Enhancing your network is crucial when aiming to gain sponsorships on a platform like Cash App. Connect with potential sponsors through social media, professional networking sites, or at relevant events. Explain your objectives clearly and how a sponsorship would be mutually beneficial. Building relationships before making sponsorship requests can improve your chances of success. Personalize your approach to each potential sponsor rather than using a generic message. Step 4. Optimize your profile. Your Cash App profile should reflect your intention of gaining a sponsor. Make sure it's professional and clearly outlines what you offer. If you have a personal brand or business, link to your website or portfolio. This transparency builds confidence among potential sponsors. Consistency is key. Ensure that all your social media profiles have the same information to avoid any confusion. Step 5. Look out for updates and new features. Cash App frequently updates its features and policies. Keep an eye out for any new updates or features concerning sponsorships. Subscribe to Cash App newsletters or follow their official social media accounts for the latest news. This way, you won't miss out on any opportunities or the introduction of features that might facilitate sponsorships directly. Step 6. Seek assistance from customer support. If you have exhausted all other options and Cash App is still not letting you have a sponsor, contacting customer support can be a viable next step. Reach out to Cash App's support team for assistance or clarification on any issues you encounter. Provide specific details about your problem for precise assistance. They may be able to offer solutions or advice tailored to your situation. Finding that Cash App is not letting you have a sponsor can be frustrating, but with these strategic steps, you can overcome this hurdle. From understanding Cash App's policies to optimizing your profile and reaching out for support, each action brings you closer to forming lucrative sponsorship connections. Remember, persistence and clarity in your approach make all the difference. Equip yourself with knowledge, build some relationships, and keep pushing forward. Your Cash App sponsorship opportunity is just around the corner. Embrace it and thrive.